Did you know that commercial fabric softeners make your clothes softer by leaving behind a film which is made up of potentially harmful chemicals? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, natural fabric softener that will leave your clothes feeling softer, reduce wrinkles, and give your clothes a pleasant smell without all the harsh chemicals. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified every time I add a new video. For today's recipe, you just need a few simple ingredients. So you're going to need a glass jar that you're going to store your recipe in. So this is a 32-ounce jar. You're going to want a minimum of 16 ounces because that's how much liquid we're using today. You're going to need some distilled white vinegar. You're going to need your essential oils. Today we are using lemon, lime, and grapefruit. You're also going to need a measuring cup to measure out your liquids. You're going to need a citrus fruit. So you can really use any citrus fruit that you'd like. Lemons, limes, grapefruits, orange, whatever you have on hand, whatever is simplest, that's what you want. So grab all your ingredients and let's get started. We're going to stick around to the end and I will show you how to download my free green cleaning guide with even more non-toxic recipes. To get started, we're just going to cut our fruit. So I'm just going to slice it in rings and then I'm going to cut the meat of the fruit out. I only want the rind to actually go inside my jar. So I'm gonna cut it into the ring and then I'm just going to cut out the meat part, the pulp and the meat of the fruit. I don't want that part. I just want the outside. You can actually cut it this way. Let's see here. There we go. It's coming out. And kind of pull it away, okay? So I just want this part and you can curl it and make it pretty if you like, and you're just going to drop that into your jar. You just need a few of those. This is actually coming off really nicely. Okay, there's my second one. I'm just going to do one more into my jar. Okay, there we go. There's my final one. So now I have my lemon rinds in my jar. I am now going to add 8 ounces of vinegar. So I'm just going to fill up my vinegar to 8 ounce or 1 cup. And then I'm going to add it to my jar. Okay, next we're going to add our essential oils. So today, like I said, I'm using lemon, and we are just going to do 3 drops of each. I almost forgot my recipe here. And then 3 drops of lime. 1, 2, oops, 3, 1 more, and 3 drops of grapefruit. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now I'm going to add 8 more ounces of white vinegar into my jar. There we go. So if I wanted to, because I have a larger jar, you could actually double this recipe. So now you're just going to shake it up and then let it sit for 1 week. So you want the rinds and the oils and the vinegar all to sit and marinate for a week before you start using them. Okay, so using this in your washer will depend on a couple of things. If you have a top loader washer with a fabric softener dispenser, then you're going to want to use that. If you do not have a fabric softener dispenser, then you're probably going to want to add it right to the final rinse load, or you can buy a fabric softener ball where you can add this to it and then put that in your wash cycle. So it kind of depends on what type of laundry machine you have and how you want to use it. So I have this top loader and I actually do have a fabric softener dispenser. So I am going to include the liquid right in there. So the proper measurement is 1 to 2 tablespoons. So this little measuring cup that I have here is something that I reuse from my protein powder, and this is about 3 tablespoons. So I'm going to fill it up about 1/3 of the way, and that should be enough for my large load. Now, if your clothes have any type of vinegar smell to it at the end of the wash cycle, then you are using too much. So it might just be a little bit of trial and error. So you just put it in the dispenser and then turn your machine on. That's it.